Alright everyone, welcome to Manny Pagan Travel Channel. We are currently in New Orleans, Louisiana, and we are staying at the Royal Sonesta here in this amazing city, right in the French Quarter. Very excited to be here. It was a little bit of a hassle to get here due to so much traffic in Bourbon Street, but we're here and we're gonna review this amazing hotel. So if you want to see more on this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and you stay watching this video, okay? So let's look at the room. So as you can see, it has an amazing king-size bed that we're going to use very well on this trip. You have a sofa, you have a table, small TV, dresser where you can put your things, obviously put your luggage on this one. Let's see what else we have here. You have pretty sizable closet, so we could probably just put our luggage in there too if we want to. So that looks good. And look at the bathroom. Bathroom looks pretty nice. Nice, very modern. So that's good. You have the tub, nice and clean. What else do we have here? Let's see, I have these doors. So it looks like we might have a balcony. Let's see.
Ooh, that almost hit my head.
Oh yeah, we do. Look at this.
Must I remind you guys too that it is blazing hot. Like, it's cold in the AC. Like in here, AC feeling good, very cold. Then you get smacked with that humidity once you walk out of here. Right, babe?
Yeah. Now look at this. It's really nice. There are, I guess they're like treating the pool right now this time. You have the view of New Orleans, the skyline right there, right in front of you. So it's really, really nice. I really like it. By the way, I'm sure you guys want to know about the lobby as well. The lobby is really nice. You know, you walk in, looks very classy. This place is a great place. So we're gonna sleep in, we're gonna check it out and see what's going on with this. Tomorrow we will be able to go to the pool and show you guys a pool area and all of that during the daytime and how it looks. So stay tuned for that. All right, good morning everyone. So we're eating right here at the Desire Oyster Bar. While we wait for the bus that's gonna pick us up for our tour, we're gonna tour Oak Alley and go on an airboat. So you'll see that video next video, but I'm thinking of ordering this. 2 poached eggs, 2 crab cakes, English muffin, crawfish cream. Let's see how it is. All right, we just got our food. Look at that, that looks so good. Let's try it. The egg is broken. English muffin on the bottom. That's really, really good. Amazing. It's so good, guys. You gotta try it. All right, so that food was absolutely amazing. Absolutely loved it. Really recommend it. If you're staying at the Royal Sonesta or anywhere near it, in this beautiful colonial looking city, very European looking, then definitely eat at Desire. Morning everyone. We are here in New Orleans and it is time to say goodbye to this beautiful place. Unfortunately, we couldn't get to enjoy the beautiful pool because the pool is for some reason broken, but they fixed it now. just in time for us to leave. Thanks a lot, Royal Sonesta. Other than that, we had a great time here. Wait. And we must say goodbye. We're headed to Florida now, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and continue following us on journeys.